Enactus UFO's main project, Bread and Bug, is leaving the Enactus network to become a social impact business, BEFERT. The business is based on the sustainable production of fresh, an organic fertilizer made from the excreta of the insect Tenebrio Molitor. It is more nutritious and economical than conventional fertilizers, as well as being an agricultural defensive, generating greater plant resistance, as an ideal alternative for small farmers. Overcoming the barrier to enter the agroecological market in Brazil with an innovative solution brought with it a major challenge, increasing production. We created BEFERT Control, a technological ecosystem for monitoring and controlling the fertilizer production runs and centralizing data. In this new process, BEFERT members can remotely monitor the status of the boxes and environmental variables through iTwin, optimizing the production maintenance process, and also have a measurement input tool via QR code integrated into a database system to support decision-making. Automating of monitoring will reduce the total production time by 50%, ensuring resource optimization and the development of new production lines in other areas of the company. At the same time, centralizing data in the cloud will generate fundamental insights for strategic decision-making. Being a pioneer of using iTwin technology for monitoring, it is a project that BEFERT can double its production in the coming months, expanding its impact in the social environmental transformation of the sector, maintaining a competitive advantage over competitors. The solution was developed with leadership validation from BEFERT and is already in the implementation stage, with all boxes within the ecosystem already collecting real data, and BEFERT team members have been using the monitoring solution over the past few days. As next steps, we are exploring the feasibility of using artificial intelligence for production forecasting and increasing the number of production boxes. The integration of technology into production plays a fundamental role in BEFERT's long-term future, elevating its maturity level to industrial standards, in line with SDGs 9 and 8. Enactus UFO's project are gaining scale and visibility, being replicated in Africa, and they will represent Brazil in Utrecht, Netherlands, during the Enactus World Cup, taking with it our BEFERT Control solution and Bentley's iTwin technology to show the world the power of integrating technology and social impact. This is our team. Thank you so much. Just the screen froze and we skipped one slide, so Luis, can you put back in the slide of the next steps? I think we have a few time. This is our next steps.
Okay, that's brilliant. So you said, I have a question. You said, can you present the iTwin to us, or is it possible to show it on screen?
Yes,
definitely.
First,
you said that is already implemented. So is it already connected to the shelf with the boxes that you have there? And do you have the sensors collecting data?
Can you see my Eric's back?
Yeah. No, but we can see you.
Okay.
Your screen now.
So we have the scan feature. We don't have the camera right here because Zoom is using it. But in this section, we have the iTwin. Let me see if this appears or if I have to log in. Okay, so here is the iTwin.
Mm-hmm.
We have here the data of temperature and humidity. These are real values that we have been collecting through the past few days. We also have the production data. Let me just see. Can you see? Can you see the dates?
Can see it. Yeah.
So we have all of the dates, and we input the previous data as well that they kept in a notebook, in a notes. So we input here as well. And here we have also if we click in a box, you can show the box info. So here you have when the cycle started. We also can click. Let me see. It was not showing.
That's all right. What's the difference in colors?
Okay, so the red one is the one when the cycle is finished. So you have to go there and collect the fresh or change something to, you have to do the maintenance process. The green one is a fresh one. So that's why the most part of green, if you go to the room right now of the BEFERT company, you'll see the most part of the boxes are in egg stage or beetle stage. And this one was the one that they are collecting fresh today, right now. So this one is the red one.
And to add some things, this system call is one of the great features we create, because it's very important to BEFERT teams monitoring how is the stage of each box. So we are creating this to monitor online. So in usually days, they just come every day to the building to look to every box to see how is the state in all the data. So with our solution, they can see this online, and when the system call will show, oh, Eric is
this the first week that you are monitoring, or how long have you been monitoring this now for?
We like the full monitoring 1 week, but we input the previous status that they had collected, and we put here for intelligence and the future steps. But since the first week, we were there to like collect information, to interview people. So we have been there mainly each week, every week.
But the most part was manual, because we starting collecting now with iTwin technology and everything.
Any questions from the other colleagues? Sorry, I talked too much this time.
So here you can see, for example, the list of the boxes. So when you click in one, you see the historical of all of the stages, the wave, and the dates of collection.
Yeah, I guess I saw that we're going to implement artificial intelligence. What benefit will that bring? Because obviously this is great. Now you can see when it's due. What do you think the artificial intelligence will help with the system? How will it improve it?
So can we go to the artificial intelligence slide? Can you go from there?
Okay, so let
From
me...
the next steps and goals.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are seeing my screen?
Next step in goals.
Okay.
So
this one.
the insects are not fixed time variable. They grow each stage in a ideal environmental condition. So in each country, they grow in a different speed, and they eat in the different speed, produce in the different speed. So the important part of the AI would be predict with more accuracy the collection date. Now it's a fixed date because Brazil is hot. It's good for the insect. So we have a smaller dates than other countries like the United States, but it's still fixed lengths, and the artificial intelligence would be to predict the timing for each of the collections.
Well, okay, thank you. That really helped. Yeah, okay, and understand the complexity. Actually, that layers and output layers helps with that complexity as well. Good.
And this is very important in a business way, because they can improve the of supply and demand forecast. So can best sales and everything to production and logistics and everything like that.
It's opportunity to scale for as a software service. So you can monitor boxes anywhere in the world with the same artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that was me. I was just going to say this was really cool, and I could see how much hard work you guys put into this. Really stunning, actually. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.